Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make car parts slam in transition effect easy and quick in After Effects. Let's begin. First of all, scroll to your second clip and duplicate it. Make sure you are at the very beginning of duplicated layer and then right click on it, go to time and select freeze frame. Now scroll 40 frames backward, hold shift and press page up 4 times. Move froze layer there, press on opening square bracket and AE will move it for you, then cut the ending of it. So since we have a still image, we can already begin making car parts slamming effect, but first let's pre-compose this layer. I will name it slam and then make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration is selected and then hit OK. Now we need to mask out car parts, and since we have a still image and there is no motion, we can use a pen tool and mask out any part as smooth as possible. I will begin with bumper. Once you are done, make sure to duplicate masked layer, then press M on duplicated one and delete the mask. Now again grab a pen tool and mask out another car part. Once you've finished, let's rename masked layers. In my case it's a hood and I will name it hood. And this one was a bumper, let's rename it as well. In my case I will make this effect with 2 car parts, but you can mask car parts as much as you wish. So once you are done and happy with the masks, make sure to scroll to the end of these layers and then select all of them. In my case it's hood and bumper. Now press P on your keyboard and then click on position stopwatch icon. Since all layers are selected, you can click on any of positions and AE will create new keyframes for all the clips. Now press S and click on scale stopwatch icon. Now press U on the keyboard to expand only created keyframes. Scroll backward something like that now and make sure to create new keyframes there as well. Now for example I will move my bumper's position down something like that and make the size slightly smaller. Then I will position the hood at the top of my clip and resize it as well. Now scroll to the beginning of masked layers and then I will move the hood all the way up, so I can't see it. Then move the bumper all the way down. Let's select all the keyframes now and hit F9 on the keyboard to ease them. Then go to Graph Editor, right click here and select Edit Speed Graph. Make a smooth curve like mine now and then we can check the effect. Looks nice, but let's enable motion blur on all masked layers and check it one more time. That was smoother, but it will look complete and better if we add shake effects. I will skip shake's part because I have already made shake tutorials. You can check them on the channel or under this video's description. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in the description below. Check how it looks like with the shakes. That's way better, but I can't see car parts clearly, so why not to scale them just a little bit. Let's scroll to the middle keyframes and then bump up scale until it looks better. That's better now. With more car parts, this effect will look way more better, so make sure to take your time and mask out as much parts as you can. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.